The archetypical mind. In the beginning of this archetypical mind, the universe was the harvest of the preceding octave. The archetypal mind is an understanding of the mind, body and spirit that conveys that all life is based off core archetypes within the conscious and unconscious mind. An archetype is a pattern of behavior, a prototype first form, or a main model that other statements, patterns of behavior and objects copy, emulate or merge into. It is the mind which is peculiar or unusual to the logos of this planetary sphere. Thusly, unlike the great cosmic all-mind, it contains the material which it pleased the logos to offer as refinements to the great cosmic beingness. The archetypical mind, then, is that which contains all facets which may affect mind or experience. Archetypes are portions of the one infinite creator or aspects of its face. It is, however, far better to realize that the archetypes, while constant in the complex of generative energies offered, do not give the same yield of these complexes to any two seekers. Each seeker will experience each archetype in the characteristics within the complex of the archetype which are most important to it. The archetypical mind is part of that mind which informs all experience. It is a repository, an accumulation of data of those refinements to the cosmic or all-mind made by this particular logos, and peculiar only to this logos. So, in this universe, we have 22 archetypes. 7 mind, 7 body, and 7 spirit, plus choice. Whereas the preceding universe had 9. Thus, it may be seen as one of the roots of mind, not the deepest, but certainly the most informative in some ways. Each archetype presents an aspect of the one infinite creation to teach the individual mind/body/spirit complex according to the calling or the electromagnetic configuration of mind of the entity. Teaching is done via the intuition. With proper seeking or mind configuration, the power of will uses the spirit as a shuttle to contact the appropriate archetypical aspect necessary for the teach or learning. They are hierarchical and proceed from the entity's own subconscious mind to group or planetary mind, to guides to higher self, to archetypal mind, to cosmic mind, or intelligent infinity. Each is contacted by the spirit serving as shuttle according to the harmonized electromagnetic configuration of the seeker's mind and the information sought. An easier way to understand this would be that each archetype, such as in the tarot deck, represents an aspect of our particular universe, or logos. The logos has some room to create archetypes that please it for our universe of experience. Each of us experiences these archetypes in our own unique way. The archetypal mind is a series of 22 archetypes in sets of mind, body and spirit, plus choice, that define the metaphysical mind of the universe or galaxy going into the individual metaphysical mind.